Good afternoon to everyone. This is the Power of Healing with Tabi Ungowekethel. Nine nadla izimfu ezimbili waphuma khambi linye. Omathumba selingompisi. Sanibona. I want to speak about ikhaya lesiphiwo. Ake sichazeni ikhaya lesiphiwo ne. Let's break it down. Akusho ukuthi makukhona lo oyi-1 mhlambe ombethwa abantu abadala nina ninako. If nizalwa no-5 no-6 and wonke umuntu une-share yakhe of something, mhlambe lo onesiphiwo unikezwe kakhulu kwathi uqina ey'ntweni mhlambe kuma-challenges abhekana nawo, kuma-trials athi abhekana nawo. Mhlambe kuyaqina okwakhe because ubiziwe-ke yena unesiphiwo. But fact is, maniphume ekhaya lesiphiwo, if ogogo benu bebenesithunywa nani, ayi-exclude wena. Uyabona? Niphiwe ngey'ndlela ey'hlukile, ngezinto ey'hlukile, nimbathwe abantu abahlukile ekhaya manzelwe nonke, especially ikhaya lesiphiwo. So this mindset yokuthi umuntu umbuke ngathi mhlambe yena khona into wrong ayiyenzayo, asithi lengane le mhlambe ezokhipha inyumbazana or ezo-isolate-wa or i-treat-we differently because uphiwe, not understanding ukuthi nani nineshe yenu. Uyabona? And into ebuhlungu-ke ukuthi I think let me speak about me. Angithi mina ngenzile okwami. Ngizoyenza example ngami ya. Ngenzile okwami, ngakuphothula okwami. Mina ngiphothulile guys. If you come from a family enenzuza, imvelaphi yenu inenzuza phakathi, because inzuza it doesn't choose you based on you, but it's a lineage that comes from a generation ethize ngendlela ethize. One thing about isiphiwo, you must understand that one thing about abantu bamanzi, mabakumphatha, they give you a history book way back. Ukuthi wena uqhamukaphi, you have full information. Akusinto vele nje ukuthi into understanda kuwe kuphela, but they give you background, they give you history njengencwadi. You understand? I can tell you where my gifts comes from, kuliphi side kanjani ubani. I can give you all those details. So if kukuthi mhlambe uzo initiator inkosazana or inzuza, iqhamuka from somewhere kukhokho or you understand, or inkanyamba kunomkhulu owaye namabhizinisi owayeyiphethe lento owayeyisebenzela owayeney'nkomo thingathi amabhizinisi but owayenemhlambi yey'nkomo oyiphethe lento. It goes way back, sibuyele emuva. You understand? That is why I said we deal with ancient spirits, we deal with ancient history yasekhaya, imvelaphi. If wena wakacele, you have to know ukuthi kuze kufike okhokho bakacele obani. So that is how a gift is given. You understand? So it's not ukuthi khona so lento isekhaya isenzalweni, awukwazi ukuphuma ke wena ube wedwa. So angithi that is why noma kwenzelwa iy'ngane ekhaya kwenzelwa ngokufana. But anyway, sina this misconception or this misunderstanding yokuthi no eyalo kuphela. Unamachaphazela, ama-breadcrumbs nawo ama-breadcrumbs nawe unawo, and lo owenze kwakhe akuzu kusubstituteka. Yes, they might focus on her or him ngoba lo kunalento esesimnikeze yona, but it doesn't mean it's excluding you. Akusho ukuthi uphumile, uyabona. It's a matter of understanding from where to where it begins, where it ends. Ngithe mina abantu guys, awuzalwa emndenini bese uba wedwa bese kuba wokuphela. Kuno auntie, kuno mamkhulu, kunesixakaxaka nje. Yazi sometimes guys, ayike into ebuhlungu njengokuthi sometimes nizondana emndenini, izinto zakho zibopheke bese uzonda umuntu emndenini, izinto zakho zibopheke guys. Bese kuthiwa yambona lo muntu owashona uyokubambile. Mosibekanga ngifuni, mosibekanga ngithandi, lo muntu bekanyenza izinto ezirong, bese kuthiwa yes lo okubambile. Ngoba uxolo in the spiritual realm liyasebenza nalo. I think that's why stress liyasebenza uxolo. So abanye abantu, I had clients where I said athi umuntu ngeke gogo, anyeke gogo ngize ngimenzele ngoba awubanjwanga lo muntu ngeke utshintshe lutho ukuthi wayekwenzeni. Kodwa inkinga iseli nawe because wena awuka khulula ibopho zakhe. Don't hold on to ibopho zakhe, khulula ibopho zakhe wena empilweni yakho. And the only way to do that is to forgive, unfortunately. So guys, lento ukuthi uhamba ubambelele intweni ezithize, it might be the problem, the cause yezinto zakho. Khulula. Yazi guys, man ngasebenza ngalento ekuthiwa inhliziyo. Khulula man, ba free yourself. Umamkhulu mina, yes, umamkhulu wangenza kabi, umamkhulu wangithathela indoda. Vele kufanele kuxolele umamkhulu ukuze kuqhubeka impilo ngoba izibopho fanele ikhululeke. The very same sibopho leso wena ongafuni ukusikhulula is the very same sibopho esizoyehlela einganeni zakho. So ayis-exclude bafowethu, akekho excluded ey'ntweni zomndeni. Leyo nje fanele niyazi, akunaphela emasini ukuthi lo this affecta zonke different ways though. So zenzele ifavor man, zenzele ifavor. And enye into efanele niyazi, enye into yabona bathi the truth sets you free. Inkinga yeqiniso is that masowulazi awukwazi ukubuyela emuva, soyalazi iqiniso. And abantu abadala bazokuhlalela ukuthi so uyalazi iqiniso. Thank you so much. Have a great day.